Или коста нареда, no?
What? No, leave it like this. Hey,
Yeah, but it's front of the lens.
Hey, grab it, Captain David. Hey. Okay, like
Yes.
this? Oh, yeah. First time we salute all subscribers and viewers. Thanks for your support, for visiting our channel, for all the comments, for the subscriptions, and for spreading this passion and goodwill from this channel to the rest of the world. Eh? And for the viewers who have just joined this channel, I will tell you quickly that finally you have found the channel where you can see the tests of the planes from an amateur point of view, because we are amateur pilots and without editing, and that's the most important thing. Now, the wind is stronger and stronger.
Picking up because
I didn't want to have such strong.
Because today, this week we had 32 degrees Celsius, and tomorrow will be only 13.
Yeah, it will
So it is
cool down
only
very much. So we are just using this last day for good filming, and like you see on the table, we have just flight what? The Seafire, the Mirage 2000, and now we will come to the sexy EDF. I will tell a few words about this.
You will come?
The Freewing, no, I will tell a few things about this plane. Eh? Now what do we have now? BEA Hawk, 70mm, 12 blade, 6 cell, EDF Jet from Motion RC, the Freewing plane A, and I must tell you that this, viewers, this is really piece of art. Now we have done the maiden flight with this, and it went perfect. The plane is such a good flyer that it's unbelievable, and it could handle the grass with no problems, even with this original stock landing gear. The lights are beautiful, and I just hope today I won't babble much during the flight. Today we will just listen to the plane.
You will not babble?
We will just listen to the plane and be...
Are you okay?
Be all aroused. What?
You're not going to babble?
No, today we will listen to the engine, because this plane sounds so great that it hurts. Anything else to say about
Why
this?
do you fly if it hurts,
It hurts me in a good way.
Ah, yeah,
not
okay.
in the bad. This is the sweet hurt, not the bad hurt, Because, hey, this is it, Enough? Should we just try this, What
Yes.
are you looking at?
You got something on your t-shirt,
Oh, some grass,
Of course, you were lying before.
Yeah.
On the ground.
What?
Lying on the ground.
Yeah, I lay down because of the happiness, because of two beautiful flights.
Laying down, Oh, I got it wrong this time,
Yeah, you always got it wrong, Captain Block, Now let's just hope for the best, and let's just have some fun, because, and viewers, if you didn't order this one, quickly push the order button, because, believe me, you will love it, This is really a plane to have and a plane to keep, You won't sell this, believe me.
Oh no.
So this is it.
It's a keeper, yes.
Oh, look at this, viewers. Look at this, Of course, I will put some flaps.
Flaps? You don't need no flaps because it is the wind is blowing.
I have the side wind. I will give a little flaps anyway, Captain Blush. Huh? What?
Yeah, okay.
Should I?
Maybe, yeah. It's your decision,
I will put just a little, so I will get quicker from the grass. Now, are you ready for the sexiest experience in your life,
Not in my life.
It?
Yes.
Final salute while the plane is still in one piece, because viewers say you must realize the fact that every time you go flying, you risk the crash, and that's just the way it is, Of course, you always hope for the best, but hey, crashes do happen.
I know why you're flying today 3 planes.
Why?
Redemption,
This is the redemption flight, and of course we need some space in our hangar.
Just like Bob Marley, redemption song,
We need some space in our hangar, but I don't want to crash in the single plane, I will just buy the container for the planes. Are you ready, Captain Blush?
What did you say? A container of planes?
We said that
Did you say a container of planes or container for the planes?
for the planes, Are you ready?
Yes.
We said that we won't babble too much today. We will just listen to the sound of the plane,
Okay.
This is it?
Yes.
Huh? You hear it?
Yes.
will come from the other side, Captain Blush, and tell me when to close the wheels, eh?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you. Now.
Okay?
Yes.
And now, viewers, let's just enjoy.
Enjoy the silence and only the engine sound. So sexy. It really sounds like a real one, eh?
I will be quiet, eh?
You can say something, eh? It's so strange, eh? Oh, it's so fast, eh?
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Hey, speak, eh?
Look at this, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Viewers, eh?
It was so strange when you were silent, eh?
Hey, but this is really one of the best EDFs that we have tested by now, viewers. You can believe us, eh? You can really believe me, eh? Hey, the power, viewers, is tremendous. Really.
This is
tremendous.
6S.
Yes.
The EDF is perfectly balanced, eh?
Hey, there's no excuses on the Freewing birds, viewers. You can believe me, eh?
Oh, it's so fast, eh?
Now I'll prepare for the landing, Captain Blush,
Uh-huh.
because I can hear.
Landing gear, I'm going to tell you when. Now.
Sorry.
Yes. And the sky is also no more friendly, eh, for the camera. Because of these strange clouds.
Are you ready for the landing?
Yes. Oh, you have hey, that was on the like a maestro, eh?
Hey, again I'm without words with this plane, eh? Hey, viewers, quickly click the button, eh? Quickly, eh?
Pause the video and
Pause the video and click the button, and then you can watch how I will taxi back, eh? Are you ready, Captain Blush?
Yes.
For some final taxiing? And this salute is a must, eh? Are you ready? That's it, Captain Blush.
I thought you meant
Do I
cut the
need
camera.
to say anything more, eh? Do I need to say?
No.
Of course, I will turn it to you for some final picture of this, because viewers, viewers, this is it, eh? This is the dream of every EDF lover, every EDF lover in the world, eh? Enough, Captain Blush.
Yes.
Just buy it, eh? I will tell you this, buy it, eh? And I can't wait to get in the air again, eh? And can you imagine that with this on 4500 battery you will have the 5 minutes of flying time, and today I did fly a little fast, Captain Blush.
Yeah, you did.
I can't wait to go home and check the video, because hey, this will be the ultimate speed and sound test of the beautiful BEA Hawk Freewing plane that you can buy in Motion RC and just quickly go there, eh? And you will be happy, and the Motion RC will be happy. We will all be happy, eh? So this is it.
Yes.
Cut the camera off, Captain Blush, immediately, because today was such a beautiful day. Free flights, free good landings, say, free beautiful planes, say. Viewers, it couldn't get much better than this, eh? And like I said, if you're wondering right now, eh, if you should try to buy your first plane, eh, click quickly, and you will love it, eh? Of course, you will not start with this one, but I can tell you, and I can really recommend this plane to be your first EDF, of course, if you were flying the planes before, eh? Because this baby is so easy to handle. And I will tell you right now that I was flying on the low rates. I must tell it to the viewers, I was flying on the low rates, and I did set the elevator to the 90% of the travel, because you need it, eh? Like Pilot Ryan said, Pilot Ryan, I salute you, eh? He said, you must use your elevator good, and you will fly perfect, eh?
Yes.
And quickly, just show the viewers the position of the battery. We must show it if somebody is wondering. Look at this, 4500 battery. Look here to this edge. Today I have even put it a 5 millimeters more to the back, and the CG is perfect, eh? And show Captain Blush with what receiver I was flying, eh? Because I got so many comments. Eh, of the orange
Yeah, but this
receivers.
is not the Park Fly receiver.
Hey, that was my mistake.
Park Fly receivers on orange have red antennas.
They have red antennas, don't be fooled, eh? And with that, receivers are working perfect. But if you're flying close, eh? But this is the long range receiver, viewers, eh? And I must tell you that almost 90% of our planes, my planes, I'm flying on the orange receivers, and I didn't have a single crash on this one, eh? So don't tell me that these are not good, eh? They're okay, eh? Because on the 90% of the times, it's the pilot mistake that you crash the plane, eh? But sometimes the servo dies, or maybe it does the receiver, the battery is too low. Even we had
What?
not the chance. There was a time when I almost lost the plane, because good thing that it was on the table, the battery ran out in my radio, because I forgot to check. Now also, that is very important, eh, because you will crash the plane. But that's it, eh, viewers. Like I said, eh, quickly go there, click the button, eh, and I will do it like this, eh. It's so beautiful, eh.
This is it.
Look at this, eh. Captain Blush, cut, because I must check this video, eh.